Yeah, what's going on YouTube? Check it. An MS380 piston. Oh, well, what's this? It's got the same design as the fucking Avenger 85. See? This comes straight across. It's got the two holes. Got the fucking rod. Oh, look. The stock Phantom bearing roller fits right in there. See? No reed valve holes, but look, connects in the back. There's one, and there's two, just like the stock Phantom piston. But the one that's in the Avenger, one of these things comes right here in the middle, and this top part's not here. Just one ring, and it connects right here, click, click, instead of click, click on the sides. That's an MS380 Stihl chainsaw piston. Okay. And here's a MS460 again. Non-reed valve holes. Okay. Now let's see the difference. Of course, I gotta move the toolbox. There we go. Okay. Table's a little bent, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see the difference. MS460, MS380. No, same thing? Oh, let's see. It's got, for the MS460, it's got small piston rings. For the MS380, it's got the fucking fat piston rings. Very weird. If you want to see the piston rings for the MS380, they're right here. I think they're 1.5, just like the Cabber piston rings that I have on mine. But what I did was, I took an angle grinder and grinded this shit the fuck out on the MS360, top and bottom. And then I fit fucking fat rings like this on the motherfucker. See, look. They're not like the fucking thin motherfuckers. These go on this piston right here. Yep. That's my backup from when my Avenger stops working. I'm putting this piston in. But I already know what the piston for the fucking Avenger is. It's a Husquavarna 272 one ring chainsaw piston, and it connects in the fucking back with one ring. So one of these little stopper things, I guess, one of these little stopper things are right here. This part's not here. It's like not even touched, and the one ring goes like right here or right here, and it connects in the back. I know about motors too. Just because I clown around sometimes doesn't mean I don't know shit. I know about motors. The only difference I could tell is height-wise. This one's tall. This one's about 1 millimeter shorter. But the rings fucking match up. Thanks for stopping by. Maybe you learned something on my channel. Okay? Bye.